Hey Auto Good fam, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a car that has cemented itself as one of the most beloved machines in the tuner world. A vehicle that strikes the perfect balance between affordability, performance, and pure driving fun. It's a car that rose to fame in the early 2000s and still holds legendary status on the drifting scene today. We're talking about the Nissan 350Z. And why this car remains a true drifting icon. The Nissan 350Z made its debut in 2002 as the fifth generation of Nissan's legendary Z-car lineage, and it brought the brand back to its roots, a simple, affordable, rear-wheel drive sports car with a focus on performance. At its core, the 350Z was powered by the now famous VQ Series V6 engine, specifically the 3.5-liter VQ35V in early models and later the more refined VQ35HR depending on the model year and trim. Power ranged from around 287 horsepower to 306 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 5-speed automatic. For many enthusiasts, the manual transmission was the obvious choice, as it provided the raw and engaging connection that made the 350Z such a joy to drive. What made the 350Z perfect for drifting wasn't just the power, but the way the chassis was engineered. Built on Nissan's FM platform, which placed the engine behind the front axle, the 350Z offered excellent weight distribution and balance. This gave it the agility to slide predictably and the stability to hold long drifts with confidence. Combined with its rear-wheel drive setup and naturally aspirated power delivery, the 350Z became a canvas for drivers to express their skill. Whether on the track in competitions or in grassroots drift events across the world, design-wise, the 350Z was bold and modern for its time. Its wide stance, short overhangs, and muscular fenders gave it an aggressive presence that matched its performance. The cabin was driver-focused, with supportive bucket seats, simple controls, and a center-mounted gauge cluster that reminded you this car was all about driving. While it didn't offer the luxury of some of its competitors, it offered something far more valuable to enthusiasts: a raw, unfiltered sports car experience at a price that didn't break the bank. In the world of motorsport, the 350Z quickly found its home in drifting. It became a popular choice for both professional and amateur drifters due to its relatively low cost, strong aftermarket support, and robust engine that could handle serious modifications. In fact, professional drivers in Formula Drift have campaigned 350Z with massive turbo upgrades, roll cages, and suspension overhauls, proving the platform's ability to compete at the highest levels. Another reason the 350Z holds its iconic status is the massive aftermarket community that grew around it. From coilover kits and angle mods to turbochargers and wide-body kits, the car has endless possibilities for customization. Enthusiasts loved how easily the Z could be transformed into a drift missile, a show car, or even a well-rounded street machine. So who is the Nissan 350Z for? It's for the enthusiasts who want a pure rear-wheel drive sports car without the complications of modern electronics. It's for the grassroots drifter looking for a reliable platform to learn the art of sliding. And it's for collectors and fans who recognize the Z-Car's place in history as both a tuner legend and a cultural icon. What are your thoughts on the Nissan 350Z? Do you think it deserves its spot as one of the most iconic drift cars of all time? Or do you think other cars should share that crown? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Auto Good for more deep dives into the world's most incredible cars. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.